Hey everybody, so today we're looking at how to deal with a F11 error on your Miele washing machine. And so the F11 error means that the machine cannot empty the water. And if you have an F11 error on your machine is probably, the door is probably locked closed, and you may notice water inside, that there's water inside the machine. So there's two main things that you can do to fix it, that you as a regular person without calling anybody can fix. The number one issue, and this is actually when I had this error on my washing machine, what the issue was that the drainage hose in the back was kinked. What happened was when they installed it here, they had pushed the washing machine too hard against the wall and it kinked the hose and the water could not evacuate. So number one is make sure that the water, that the drain hose is not kinked in the back. And if that's not it, the second thing you can do is down here you have access to the drainage pump. You can open this up and you'll see, and if your washing machine, if it's got water in it, even if it doesn't, there's going to be water down in here. So you can open this, and you need to be ready for water to come gushing out. You can have a bucket or something like that to try to get it. And if you're able to lean your washing machine back, it makes it a lot easier to get something under here to get the water. And you take this out, and you can see back in there. I don't know if you can see in there. There's the turbine in there. That is the pump. You can see if there's anything that is blocking that pump from turning. And if it is neither of those things, you're probably going to need to call a repairman. So I hope this helped. If you had a different issue, you can leave it in the comments. Maybe if you found a different fix. I try to keep these videos short and to the point, and that a regular person that can actually help a regular person. If this helped you, go ahead and leave me a like, and thanks for watching.